Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to start selling on Shopee. First thing you need to do is go to Shopee Seller Center and sign up for a seller account using your email and phone number. Verify your phone number and complete your shop profile like shop name, logo, and shop description. Now head to the Seller Center dashboard, then click Add New Product. Fill out product name, description and features, price, stock quantity and variants, and upload high-quality product images. Enter shipping details, then select if the item is pre-order or ready to ship, then click Save and Publish. Now to set up your shipping method, choose between drop-off or pickup. Go to My Addresses in the Seller Center, then click Add a new address and fill in details. Tick Set as Pickup Address and enable your preferred logistics partner in shipping settings. In Seller Center, go to Finance, then Bank Account. Add account of your bank and enter your details. Then go to Payment Settings to enable accepted payment methods for customers. Now finally, all you have to do is fulfill your first order. Go to My Shipment, then to Ship. Click Ship inside the new order and schedule a pickup or prepare for drop-off. Package the order properly and attach the shipping label and hand it over to your logistics provider. And that's it guys, now you're selling on Shopee. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.